Well, hello, friends and followers. So here's some more ham radio, amateur radio, Drake type stuff. You might ask, what's that thing? What is it good for? Well, the bezel or front of a Drake TR7. You take it off with 3 screws, and so what? What good is this thing? Well, when I first got this radio, this little part here, it kind of was falling off the back of this thing, and then it disappeared to the radio. And I didn't really see it again until this morning when I took this radio apart and was putting it back together. And I finally found this thing. I'm like, gee, there it is. So the way the TR7s work, they use the filters on the outside of the light bulb and the dial. And the 4 Series, the light filters are by the light bulb. So it's a whole different genre. And the way they did this thing back in the, I guess, early 70s, late 70s, early 80s, they simply took a soldering iron, I guess, and burned this thing on. They didn't glue it. I think they had epoxy back in the 70s or 80s, so I'm not sure why they didn't epoxy this on. So what I'm going to do is, I have a new piece cut out for it, if I could find it. It was here. There it is. Anyway, this piece, I bought some Lexan, so I'm going to put some Lexan in here and then put Lexan in front and epoxy the stuff to Lexan, and it's good to go. You can see how the light, or the photons from the light bulb, have worn out this filter. You can see the outline of the if you look carefully here, you can actually see the outline of this little window that is lighter in this piece here. So anyway, to get perfection and make it look really nice, I'm going to put some of this original stuff back in here and see how it works. So that's about it. I'm waiting for LED light bulbs and some Lexan, so we'll go from there. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Have a great morning.